Okay, so the first technique which I'm sharing with you all, it's the first time I'm sharing it with anyone because it's the first time it came to my head. So it is something totally new. We'll try it out. What happened was this afternoon, in fact, since yesterday I was having a mild numb headache, but it was in control. This afternoon I was feeling a little more headache, sort of a thing. So as usual, I did the analysis and I saw, and I realized that from our F2 chart, that sun was hitting the first house, the local. Sun is Karak, Sun and Mars are Karak of headache in the sense. Okay, so I realized that I was expecting that only the same thing was that the sun hitting the in Gochar. So as usual, I went and I was when I did the calculation, it was put the sun ka that dot orange dot on the second Rashi, that is face. So actually I was putting it in the mirror देख के ऐसा कर रहा था. That time I saw my hand and something came to my mind, and I'll just share that chart which I've already given you. Let me share that and you'll understand. Can you see this? So ये जो fingers है ना, these are houses. So instead of putting it on the body part, if the corresponding house may be put it. So see how it is numbered. 1, 2, 3. Then here it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. So now I have made that extract of my chart what was important, if you can see here. So basically, Sun as of now is in my 7th house, 12th Rashi, giving a 188 degrees hit to the first house. So 188 degrees, you understand, no? 172, peak is 180, and 188 is almost going out. So it's a mild headache. Now, if you have to give the positive hit, what do we do? 30, 60, 90, 120, ulta karum, barabar. So basically, from the second Rashi, I would have given a hit. So in the second Rashi, that is the face, I would have put a orange dot. So I was putting it over here. Then I realized, why don't I make use of the thing, hand? So if you see the ninth Rashi, now these are all houses you have to remember, okay? They're not Rashis. So I am actually mixing up Potli and Lal Kitab over here. So what are we doing? From the ninth house, we are giving a sun ka positive hit to the first house. Now if you see, this also become the triangle. If you see, this is the bunyad. If you remember last time how I had shown you. So if I put sun here, sun becomes the bunyad for first house, which itself is the pakka house of sun, where sun is also uch over there. So ninth house could have the finger of the Karangal is the base line. So if you can you see this, I have put a copper ring, 3 copper rings over here. So copper, so what I've done is मैंने स्थापित किया सूर्य को स्थापित किया 90 घर में. So over here, so either you can put a golden dot or the initial I put a golden dot, then I put this thing. And it sort of subsided. Now I would say it is just 5 or 10%. Other normal case, I know myself, it would have escalated. My headaches which happen, either my BP is in control now, but suppose BP ke wajah se, whatever it is, it doesn't come down. It always escalates to a point where it becomes unbearable. So here now I'm totally, I would say there is a hint that there is a headache, but that it's as good as not there. So what I'm trying to tell you is, whatever, now you need to do this on a daily basis only. If you don't get the calculation, ask me if you want. But let's say you have a headache or you have a stomach ache or something or the other, to रोज कुछ ना कुछ चुटपुट होता है. Even a small thing, no? You just do this and try it out on these 12 indices. And a funny thing is, this part of my finger is paining. So इसमें बोलते हैं acupressure में. I don't know why, but this part of my finger is paining. बाकी I pressed everywhere, everything was normal pain. Here it was pain. So I don't know if there is some link over there, but it just came to my mind. It is not recorded anywhere. I said, let us try. See, since these are our 12 houses, so instead of putting a dot on your face or on your bum or on your chest or here or there, if you can put it here. And now what I was thinking was, as we are getting more and more into Lal Kitab, we realize that a lot of planets need to be given upay or given remedy. Okay, and the remedies are quite a bit. पलंग के पैर में तांबे का खीला मारो, वो नारियल इसका नारियल लेके पानी में बहा दो, या सरसों का साग सरसों का तेल पानी जमीन में दबा. So there are so many things. So if we can sort of make dots over here and sort of realign them, then it might become something different. So we need to experiment on that. So all of you need to do that. Whatever chota mota thing is there, make that 120 degrees, but वो घर पकड़ के करो. Don't look at a rashi. if you remember, we used to do the Rashi ka dot. So here, these are the houses. These are not your Rashis. This is your first house. This is my first house. 1, 2, 3. Then here 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. इतना ही ध्यान में रखो. Okay. Now, what will do? Anything you want to ask here, or should I go ahead? Okay. Now, what I'll do is I will share with you 3 techniques from here of Saturn. Okay. So what they say, like Saturn, they say is the karak of your past life karma also. Okay. So 3 techniques which are spot on is, one is Saturn, wherever it sits, 4th house from it, it creates ups and downs or some problems, at least in one karak tattva of the house. That slide is that you don't need to write. I'll give you the thing. It will come. When once I show you the slide, it is all, I've written it down only for you. So basically what happens, if let us say how to calculate, count, just remember, we are not counting degrees. So if your Saturn is in house number 1, okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. So basically, if your Saturn is in house number 1, you have to count it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So your 4th house is called as the karmic house of Saturn. Okay. So if let us say your Saturn or anybody's Saturn is seated in the 4th house. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th becomes the karmic house. Okay. So I'll just share the chart with you. Share this thing technique, and the charts also I've taken 3 people ka charts I've taken. Can you all see this chart, or are you still seeing the palm only? You can see the charts now. Okay. So basically the topic here is karmic house of Saturn, 4th from natal Saturn. That is the first technique. Okay. So उसका basic ये क्या है, technique है कि wherever Saturn sits, it will create ups and downs in at least one karak tattva of the 4th from it. Okay. So if I'll explain this later, but just to show you first how to calculate. Saturn over here is seated here in the 4th house. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7th house is impacted. Here Saturn is in the 1st house. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4th house is impacted. Here it is seated in the 2nd house. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this house is impacted. Okay. And let us put the 2nd and 3rd technique also here. So we can do it in one stretch rather than going back and forth. So the next technique is, which I have shown in blue over here, that the unfinished karma is seen where Saturn sits, and its results are seen 2nd house from it. So basically, if Saturn is seated here, this house will tell what the karmic debt is of that person towards what or whatever, and the 2nd from it, it will show the results over there. Okay. So basically, 3 Saturn techniques we have put into one is that wherever Saturn is seated, 4th house from it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th house from it, it will maybe like saying udvast kar dega sort of, or create ups and downs or problems. Second thing is wherever Saturn is seated, that is the karmic debt of that person. You will understand once I go deeper here. Okay. And its results are shown in the 2nd house from it. Samjha? So now these are 3 charts which have been taken. So this is Sri Ram ka chart, Ram, Bhagwan Ram. This is Indira Gandhi, this is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. So if you see this, I have written down a little bit whatever I could in the time I got, but whatever it is. So if we see this and the 4th from, we take this technique, 4th from Saturn. So one minute, let me just see. So if you see from 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7th house is the house which has got impacted. 7th house is the house of marriage. So we know the problems which he faced in his married life. Sita getting this thing, then even the Sita go that Agni Pariksha, and then she left, and then she went away and all that. Correct? Okay, so that. Now, if you see here, it is seated with Mars. Mars is the 8th lord, is the 5th house lord. Can you see this? Mars is the lord of 5th house. 5th house is of children. He fought a war. Mars is war. He fought a war with his sons, if you know the story of Ramayana. Okay. So basically, if you see this, Saturn has impacted the 7th house. Okay. 7th house, Rashi is 10th. 10th house is the house of your social standing, your status, your occupation, whatever. So in that time, occupation meaning he was the king. So he had to give up his throne, right? So his status was tarnished because he was sent to the thing, whatever, jungle. Whatever no one was. So if you see everything works over here clearly. So Saturn, fourth house impacted the seventh house of marriage. 10th Rashi, which is the 10th this thing house over here. 10th Rashi, you have to look at it. 10th Rashi, 10th house. So basically that is impacted over there. And Mars, that is a war. Mars is ruling fifth house. So he had a war with his sons. Okay. That is the first one if you see. Next one, if you see this unfinished karma, so he is sitting in the fourth house of mother. His stepmother told him to go to the forest and he did that. So he finished his karma towards his stepmother. Okay. So basically over here, if you see seventh, Venus. Venus is lady. Okay. Venus. So basically, if you see Saturn is where the karma this thing was, and where did it see the results? In the fifth house of children. Fifth house also of past life karma. Okay. So this is one chart. You all can read this later on if you want. Now the second one is of Indira Gandhi. So her Saturn is seated here. So the karmic house is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth house, is the house of home atmosphere. Okay. It is also the 11th house from the 7th house. So sorry, it is the okay. So forget it. So basically, it is the fourth house of home atmosphere. If you remember, correct. So if you know the story of Indira Gandhi, so her home was totally spoiled. Okay. Now from here, if you see the Karak of this seventh, that is Venus. Venus is a lady. Venus is sitting in the ninth house along with Rahu in the ninth house of hidden enemies. So it is said that her daughter-in-law was her biggest enemy. Something I don't know much about politics, but this is what I read, and I can put two and two together like that. So basically, Saturn seated in the Saturn udvast kar raha hai kaun sa? Fourth house of home atmosphere, also of mother, and I am given to understand that a mother died very young. बराबर. So that is that. Then ये उद्वस्त किया, ये उद्वस्त करने का वो हाउस का लॉर्ड कौन है? सेवन. दैट इज वीनस. वीनस किधर बैठा है? सिक्स्थ हाउस. Okay, so sixth house, and also it rules our second house. अरे 12th house because राशि 2 and 7 ना वीनस का राशि. So वीनस का राशि एक ये हुआ, एक ये हुआ, and it is basically seated here along with Rahu. So basically Venus, who is her the person who's causing the problem is a lady, and she is her hidden enemy. Are you all understanding this? So this was the first technique. Second technique is here where the karma. So first house. So if you know her general life story, she used to work like 20 hours a day or something, just sleep for 4 hours or something, and was up continuously doing all that thing. Second thing over here is this is also, if you see this past life karma, if you want to see, that is also towards a mother. Okay, so that is another thing. So this is basically her past life karma, and this has shown the impact over here. Second house is the family which you build up, right? So her family, if you realize, her husband, I don't think they were on very good terms. Then I think he died early. Barabar. Then both her sons were hit that way. So so that has completely spoiled the thing over here. Okay. Now coming to Jawaharlal Nehru. So basically, it is seated in the second house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth house of child. Fourth house of love affairs. So both we know both about that. Barabar? That my lady bound by Turka, that was quite famous or infamous, whatever it was. And children, her daughter, the way she was killed. So basically, this has impacted this house of affairs and children. Okay. Second thing is, uska karmic debt is towards his family. It is seated in the second house. So we are basically, we know that his family life was totally udvasta. He didn't have any great family life. That's what I have heard. I don't know much again about politics. And this has impacted the third house. Third house, if you remember, is the house of siblings, especially younger siblings. Correct? So what I'm told is he didn't have any brother, I think. Because see, Mars idhar hai. Mars is brother. So this Saturn has impacted this. So I am told that he didn't have a brother. So Mars is brother. So that has impacted it. So no brother. He had two sisters, out of which one of the sister I think was not on very good terms with him or something like that. I'm not very sure of that. But basically that's what I have heard. You understand? So very quickly I'll read through what I've written so you'll understand. So here I've written the karmic house of Saturn, seventh house, marriage, seated with Mars, which is the fifth house lord of children. So the battle which took place, and also 10th lord of father and karma. Father I forgot. So 10th house is also a father. Okay. So father and karma and social standing. He had to fight a huge battle with Ravana and was sent off to the jungles where he was to uh, sorry, either you can miss okay, but what I was wanting to write when he was to ascend the throne. When he was about to sit for the throne, then that stepmother said, "Go away," na? And the very next day, the father died, something like that, you know. So all that is there. Now, if you see here, unfinished karma of stepmother, I've written over here. Indira Gandhi, if you see fourth house of mother and home atmosphere. So this is the fourth house of home and mother. This thing, mother died. She lost a mother early, and also family life was very disturbed. Fourth Rashi Lord, seventh Venus, means a lady, daughter-in-law, was the biggest enemy, seated in the sixth house of hidden enemies, along with Rahu. Rahu is also hidden enemy, correct? Jawaharlal Nehru is the karmic house of Saturn, fifth of affairs and children. First is well known in the death of that daughter in the manner which it was. Seated in the fifth house is Sun, that is also there, which is the Karak of lineage and Lord of second house of family. Okay, so I'll share this chart with you all. Yes, I am through now. Well, Sujata, Preeti Ben,
Sujata, you say.
okay.
No, I just wanted to know, you said 10th house was the house of father. Isn't it the 9th house?
So there is actually in this thing, there is a big ambiguity of ninth and 10th. What they say is that if you are dependent on the father, then you consider the ninth house. If you're not dependent on the 10th house. So basically father can seem, because I say, like, you are here, the seventh house is the spouse.
Right.
So if fourth is mother, 10th should be the father.
Right.
So the ninth and 10th both are seen as father. And also you can look at it this way, ninth house is guru, no?
Yeah.
The guru. So 10th house is the father. So, Pritiben, what were you saying?
All three of them are Kark Lagna.
Yeah, that word even
All
when
the three kundlis.
fourth. So even fourth, when
And one question.
Yeah.
7, you were saying Venus.
Mhm.
7 is Venus. Seventh house. Is that not the house of spouse?
The seventh Rashi, not seventh house, because the Rashi of that thing was 7. So seventh house, the seventh Rashi also you can take. Seventh house, seventh Rashi. That's what you're asking. I don't understand what was.
So yeah. So in the Indira Gandhi's case, does it not talk about the husband? Why you said woman over there, Venus? We have understood that Venus means wife.
See, basically, sir, seventh is the Rashi lord of that fourth house. Seventh is ruled by Venus. Now forget the house. Venus is seated in the sixth house of hidden enemies along with Rahu. So basically, it is saying that her hidden enemy was one lady. Now we are presuming that it is the daughter-in-law. Because like I said, I really don't know anything about politics, but thoda jo अक्कल से मेरे को मालूम पड़ रहा है that I'm saying. So maybe if somebody is learned it, they'll say. So basically, what seventh house is a different line altogether. So the husband was not her enemy, at least as far as I know. But what I'm trying to say is fourth house में उसका
But he was killed, no?
He got killed, So basically,
He was killed.
अच्छा, okay, whatever. So वो भी उसमें दिख रहा है. So the karmic house of Saturn is the fourth house, which is ruled by Venus, which is a lady. Venus is seated in the sixth house with Rahu, which is also another, क्या बोलते लबाड़ी का ये, and that is the house of hidden enemy.
Yeah.
Then you can see 7 is also seventh house. You can relate to it. Acha, udhar, if you see the other two number, I think was in the 12th house. Barabar na? That Venus was seated in the sixth house, and Venus rules 2 and 7.
Indira Gandhi's Patrika.
I'll show. See, what we said was that this is 7, correct? 7 is ruled by Venus, which is the other one which rules 2, na?
2.
So ये जो 6-12 का भी connection हो गया,
Ah.
and 12 is the house of death also.
Hmm.
So that way it is that connection is getting formed.
मनीष,
Yeah.
आई हैव अ वेरी मतलब एकदम यक्ष प्रश्न है. यक्ष मीन्स एकदम वो. सी
What is Yaksh
see
first?
for all this while we were working on this thing, the लाल किताब वाला, कि वो काल सर्प पुरुष कुंडली कंसिडर करते थे. अभी तो you change the whole thing ना. अभी you are saying ये 7 ये राशि लिखा है, not the house. तो अभी
I will keep changing as long as I get effective techniques. I will adopt anything. Because मेरे को
no
काम
no
से
see my
मतलब है.
point is
See 1 minute. You were
अरे
not
बाबा
there.
काम ठीक है.
You were not there when
I think I
spoke.
missed the first line.
That's what I'm
Nee,
saying.
I heard, but then yes, I must have missed few lines.
You missed the first full episode when I spoke about that hand thing which I have only made now. वो whether the उसका जो भी blessing है या curse है वो मेरे को ऊपर ही आने वाला है. ये जो मैंने दूसरा टेक्निक अभी निकाला है वो. So what I'm trying to tell you is with me ना, frankly speaking, if you have to learn with me, मैं काम से मतलब रखता हूँ. मेरे को किसी ने कौन से भी भाषा में सिखाया, if it is effective I will adopt it. If it is not effective, if it doesn't what you say please my logical mind, I will not take it. So this Brigut Paddhati, this is I am studying this. Now why this? I will answer your question. Actually this question came to my mind also. What you are asking, no, Rashmi, so what you are saying is correct. कि why am I? एक तो I know myself, I will adopt anything. कोई मेरे को कुछ टेक्निक बताया, and if it is going to be effective, I will take it. कौन सा भी पद्धत रहेगा. Now the thing is, why do we need this? So when you see this, this is one sure short way of understanding what like a birth time rectification. कि अगर ये किसी के चार्ट में दिख रहा है और उसके जिंदगी में ये हो रहा है, तो that means this chart is correct. That is one. Second thing is Saturn is one big sort of a enemy bolo or whatever you want to say. If you don't look at it enemy, but it's a big planet. Okay, so basically Saturn को control करना is also important because Saturn उध्वस्त कर देता है. That is second thing. Third thing is if you understand what the problem is and if you are able to analyze whether it's a past life karma or it is a present life karma, then you can advise that person how he can sort of soften that thing. कि अगर उसको suppose let's say Jawaharlal Nehru was your client and he came to you and you can see that that fifth house is getting udvast. So you can tell him, boss, तेरा ऐसा ऐसा है, you better stop your affair over there, or your child will get affected. That is how you use this. And once you get this, and then you learn Lal Kitab techniques, and then you adopt it, and you come out with your own technique maybe. Because you cannot get stuck. See, एक ध्यान में हमेशा रखो, and this I am talking from personal experience. एक तो whatever I talk from personal experience, not from books. Whenever you get stuck in a situation, and you know only one technique, so you are getting stuck in a chakravyuh. You have to change your technique to get out of it. Because if there is a rhythm and you are used to that rhythm and you are getting stuck in that rhythm, unless you break that rhythm, you will be in that rhythm only. So always in life, never get stuck to one pattern or one technique. If one technique doesn't work, दूसरा कोई ब्रह्मास्त्र कोई तो भी निकलेगा. Okay, and this is another story which I'll tell you sometime later. I think Sujata Kai told him about my karate ka background. I don't think you all know also. I'm a third degree black belt in karate with more than 25 years of full contact. This thing. So uska ek story that I will tell you some other time. But all that what I learned from there, or what I learned from my badminton career, I was a national level seeded badminton player. When Prakash Padukone was the national champion, at the junior level, we were the seeded players in India. So the techniques which I've learned there, the technique which I learned in karate, all that I use in my daily life. So this will answer your question. Huh? Okay. Any other question?
What if there is a Saturn in the 6th house? Okay. You can't tell me?
No. I didn't hear you. Tell me again.
Okay. What if the Saturn is in the 6th house? Okay. Now, first thing is Saturn being in the 6th house, it will give ulti drushti to the 2nd house.
No. Second. Okay.
Yeah? So ये उसका feature. But as per this 4th house, assuming if 4th house goes to the 9th house, there is no planet in the 9th house. Okay.
Fourth house.
Saturn is in the 6th house.
6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So 9th house is empty.
That's okay.
That's okay. But the ninth house is father, travel, bhagya, and all. No.
You didn't read that sentence which I did. I said that Saturn का karmic house is the fourth house. It will upset at least one karak of the house. The planet seated over there will give you a hint. जैसे राम के उधर Mars था. Mars was the lord of the fifth house of children. So he had a battle with the children. So if there is a planet seated there, that will give you some hint. If not, then उधर जो Rashi lord बैठा है, that will tell you what the thing is. Like Mercury रहेगा, so it might be some girl. Venus था, so it was a lady. And where is Venus seated? Then you have to keep probing over there. Then Venus किधर बैठा है? वो कौन सा घर है? उसका क्या connection? So if it is sixth house, then the karmic direct. Second thing which I told you, hey, Rashmi किधर गई? Why is Rashmi suddenly gone out? उसको बुरा लगा क्या मैं चिल्लाया तो? उनको बुरा लगा मैं चिल्लाया? नहीं, इतना भी शांत मत रहो, अनम्यूट करके बात करो.
बहुत बुरा सर, बहुत बुरा लगा.
Good, I'm happy. That was the intention. Okay. So Shruti, coming back to you, sixth house अगर बैठा है किसी का, तो basically it might mean that the what is it called, karmic debt could be towards the mama or maushi, because that is the mother's this thing, or it could be towards your pet dog also, because sixth house is the house of Ketu of dogs, so it could be that. Ketu is also a child, so it could be child. तो धृती तू काय गुफेमध्ये बसले का? ते असं लाईट असं तुझ्या चेहऱ्याच्या ग्लो मुळे ते काळोखामध्ये असं ते छापछूप होते ते
नाही रे,
सुजाता मॅम
टीव्ही चालू आहे तिकडे, त्यामुळे त्याचे ते असे लाईट फ्लॅश होत आहेत, म्हणून मी आवाज बंद केलाय.
ते लाईट्स भले फ्लॅश होतात, ते तुझ्या चेहऱ्यावरून तर डबल.
इवन सुजाता ऑल्सो शी मेक इट अ पॉइंट, शी सिट इन अ वे पूरा ग्लो सिर्फ चेहरे पे आता है.
अरे no, there's a problem with my camera.
Okay. my face glows because of my camera. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so Shruti, coming back to your
So we can change the camera.
No, don't masti mat karo. Shruti, coming back to your point, sixth house Saturn बैठा है, so the karmic debt could be towards mama or maushi, that mother's age, or it could be towards the child, or it could be towards the dog. Okay, so that will take care. Now udhar se 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, so that goes to 9th house of father. So it can impact the father. So when this is one very important thing. When does this happen? I forgot to tell you. ये 4th house का जो impact होता है कब होता है? So when Saturn in Gochar, now mark my words, Saturn when Gochar comes either to that house of karmic debt or comes 180 degrees opposite to it, that is the time that impact will happen. You understand? So if you all do it at your personal level, find out what it has happened and just see the date, and then find out from the ephemeris में से मिलेगा. If you don't know how to find out, then you ask me. But otherwise, any chart you just do tick 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 and put that date over there. No? It will give you where that Saturn was that time. Any software you go, and let us say you realize that this happened in 1996. Let us say. तो 1996 का वो डेट का उधर डाल दो तो सैटर्न किधर है मालूम पड़ेगा. सैटर्न तो क्या 2.5 साल तो एक जगह पे बैठते हैं, so it's not going to jump across with it. So basically answering your question, 6th house impact is on the 9th house. So some कारक तत्व of the 9th house must have got affected. उधर अगर planet नहीं है तो उधर का राशि देखो, राशि लॉर्ड देखो, राशि लॉर्ड किधर बैठा है वो देखो, उसका दूसरा जो हाउस है वो देखो, अदर देन सन एंड मून दूसरा हाउस देखो, and then weave a story. Then the story will come in front of you. So that might need a little bit of experience.
Manish,
That you said about Saturn, and then you said the following house will show the result. No.
You are mixing up 3 techniques. This what I told you just now. 4th house is one technique. Second technique is where it is seated. It has that karmic debt. This was karmic house. That is karmic debt. So jidhar baitha hai. So 6th house is maybe your karmic debt is towards your uncle. That I actually mixed up both for you. That was there. And uska impact will be shown in the next. So 7th house it might show. So something in the 7th house related karak tattva might be getting affected. So 7th house could be business, 7th house could be spouse, 7th house could be marriage. 7th house is also 7th house is it 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's a little complicated that I'll tell you later. But basically this itna to मालूम पड़ा तो भी ठीक है. Sujata, you were saying something?
Manish,
एक मिनट.
Manish,
Third thing you said,
सुजाता बोलो.
when Saturn and Gochar comes to the house of karmic debt, then what happens?
Then that thing happens. See, कसं आहे की Saturn is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the karmic house, not karmic debt. Karmic house of Saturn. Karmic debt is where it is sitting. This is the karmic house. So let's just call it impact of this thing. तो वो impact कब होगा? So that will happen when Saturn comes either 180 degrees opposite to it or comes and sits in that house. नहीं करो? Rashmi, what do you say?
So we come at 180 degrees or in that house, in the fourth house जेव्हा Saturn येतं किंवा त्याच्या 180 degrees opposite येतं तेव्हा ते karmic debt होतं.
If the Saturn is seated in the fourth house, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So seventh house is the house of karmic house of Saturn. बरोबर?
Okay.
So when the Gochar Saturn comes either in the seventh house or opposite to it, my first house.
First
it
house.
is the time that impact will happen.
Okay.
So every 30 years it will happen.
Okay.
Rashmi, what do you say?
So this you are talking about only when Saturn is at 4.
No, it can be anywhere.
So no, see, only the fourth house, if the Saturn is there, this will happen. But what if fourth house has Mars or Jupiter or Mercury, then this...
Saturn जिधर बैठा है, किधर भी बैठा होगा, वहां से 1, 2, 3, 4 गिनो, वो हाउस आ जाए. फोर्थ हाउस में बैठा तो 4, 5, 6, 7 में, 6 में बैठा तो 6, 7, 8, 9 will be covered.
5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th.
Fourth house from the natal Saturn is the karmic house of Saturn.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Shruti, you were asking something, no, Magashi? I thought you were asking. Okay.
No, I think I will have to study it because atta कसं झालंय, I was considering everything at first house, first Rashi, So now that we've come back to Rashi and this thing, so again I'll have to sit. मग ते राशी लॉर्ड वगैरे सगळं बघायला लागेल.
But it's simple. It's not so complicated. Very simple. Prithiba, you were saying something?
Yeah. So I was saying that my Shani, Saturn, is in the 9th house with number 7 Rashi. Okay. The year and the time I lost my father, my Shani was in the 8th house.
Okay.
Is there any correlation between what we are talking today? Gochar.
8th house. 9th house पे Shani is seated with which planet? Is it in Yuti with any planet? 9th house, Shani? Prithiba? Shani in 9th house is with anyone? Alone better? Akela better?
In my horoscope, Shani is alone in the 9th house in 7th Rashi. And when I lost my father at that time, my Shani was in the 8th house with number 8.
8th house is house of?
The 6th house is also house of Shani का पक्का घर है ना? मर गया साला मर गया तो it is a पक्का house of Shani.
8th house.
8th house is a पक्का house of Shani.
8th house it was.
8th ना 8. 8th house is a पक्का house of Shani ना. शनि के घर में आ गया. If you remember लाल किताब का मर गया साला मर गया we had said ना confirm. तो Saturn comes in 8th house no? Mars and Saturn is a pakka. You remember that thing what I said?
मर गया साला पूरा मर गया साला.
And the उच्च कुछ नहीं था, moon was नीचे हो there. So मैं मर गया is Mars, साला Saturn. वो भी हो गया. But are you sure it was in this thing? Because वो कैसे रहेगा ना? नहीं वो उसका डिग्री देखना पड़ेगा. It might be somewhere 26 degrees से onwards. And दूसरा क्या है ना? उसका नहीं और भाव चलित में देखना चाहिए whether it was at that time in the 9th house.
4 or 5 degrees.
4 or 5 degrees.
4 degrees Shani.
In the 8th house.
At that time.
वक्री था क्या? वक्री था was it retrograde?
No. No. No.
I don't know, but basically, what you're saying is that Shani should have been in the ninth house, or it should have been in the third house. That's what you're saying, right?
Hmm. I don't know. I asked you because we are discussing this, and like you were talking just now to Sujata, no, that 10th house or 9th house is the father's house, which is considered like that way. And I was very close to my father, extremely close to my father. And I used to always think he is like a very wise judge kind of a very, very balanced, equanimous personality.
Correct.
I thought maybe that Shani is my own father. That's what I used to think. I don't know. Now you correct me here.
Shani in the ninth house, it is like you saying that you have your karmic debt towards your father. That is why that attachment must be.
Yes, yes.
So if we go by this example, my Shani is in 5th house. So 5th se 4th aa jayega 9th pe. That is like again the Bhagyasthan and the for the father, right?
No, 8th
नहीं,
house.
fifth से आएगा 8th house पे, fifth
8th
को
house.
first
नहीं,
house
5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 4th ना?
नहीं
5th,
नहीं,
6th,
fifth को
7th,
तो
8th.
first पकड़ेगी, 1
Okay,
2 3 4 ऐसे, तो 8th
okay,
So it is in the eighth house.
okay.
So uska impact will be in the eighth house. Like, and
sorry
Shani seated in the fifth house is your it's like your debt towards your children ऐसा भी हो सकता है,
Hmm.
or your love affairs.
No. See, there was this Shani and Rahu was there, and I did share na that I had a miscarriage.
अच्छा, you
Yes.
named them as Shani and Rahu to affair people.
Yes. I got one as delivery, and the other got took away. So
So that's 1 2 3 4. So it shows the impact is on the eighth house का ये होगा, and it is there, and yeah, ठीक है.
ठीक.
So
So
your
my Saturn is in the 7th house.
correct.
Okay, yours is also in the 7th house, right?
Yeah.
So our 10th house has been impacted.
हाँ. So 10th house is house of government. So government के साथ नहीं बनेगा. 10th house can be also a father. Like I lost my father very early. So that has impacted 10th house. Like see, 10th house can be your profession. It can be your father. It can be your status in society, or it can be government. Now out of this, one तरी होएगा. So government का मेरा कुछ लेना देना नहीं. My status in society is क्या, nobody knows me. So there's nothing like status or anything in society. Third thing was occupation. That is now, abhi I have finished my career, so it was normal. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Father. So father died very early. I didn't have the connection with him. I was very young when he died. So not very young, but me that जो छत्र छाया बोलते हैं वैसा नहीं था. That's why this card are not there. So basically, that component of 10th house you can say.
So I have 12th Rashi in the 10th house.
That is Jupiter. So Jupiter किधर बैठा है, second house में बैठा है तुम्हारा. And other is your 7th house.
Pardon me?
See, 12th you लोग discuss करायचं क्या था कि you want to discuss later with me, you discuss later with me. You discuss it later with me.
Acha, okay.
No. If I find something.
So, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, in continuity with that, Shani, same thing. Shani is in the 9th house with number 7.
Correct.
Okay. Now, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach the 12th house.
Correct.
And 12th house number is 10, which is Shani's house itself, right?
Correct.
So now, what did you say? The 4th house represents the?
No, so basically 10th is one Rashi of Shani. Second one is your first house.
Yes.
So basically Saturn, which is seated in the 9th house, uska karmic sthan is 9, 10th, 11, 12. So 12. Now udhar Shani ka Rashi baitha hai. And other, so basically you have to see 3 houses in short. The 4th house, इसका जो राशि लॉर्ड है उसका 1 house and two houses. May other than sun and moon, let us say you come here and let's say you get sun. Then you just see where sun is seated, you know, because of sun ka rashi. Okay, so I'll explain on your chart only.
Yeah.
Your karmic house of Saturn is your 12th house.
Yes.
बरोबर. 12th house का राशि कौन सा है? 10.
10.
That is Saturn.
Yes.
Saturn का दूसरा राशि कौन सा है? 11.
11.
So first house and 12th house are impacted.
Huh.
Okay. So that is why you are doing this continuous seva and all that. Like, you know, if you remember for this one I said Indira Gandhi, she slept for 4 hours. See, whatever good and bad is another thing, but whatever she did the highest. I mean, 4 hours she slept and 18 hours, 20 hours if she worked. That is what you are doing. You are doing selfless service. So it has impacted you, na? See, today you could have been some CEO of Wipro or something like that maybe.
Yeah.
But, you know, so what you are doing, it has impacted you whatever way. We look at it positively. Somebody might say, "Arey, what foolish like that. I would have been earning 1 crore of rupees a month." So it is how वो दृष्टिकोण कैसे है वैसे.
So, because I got selected for Ahmedabad IIM.
That's what I'm saying.
So my children always tell me, "Well, you opted for Seva." I said, I'm so happy here. And you would have exact your words. Okay, you would have been somebody, you know, so many years ago, IIM Ahmedabad was one big thing happening in the world. Like,
Yeah.
selected first exam
So,
entrance.
so basically what it is impacting your first house. First house is what you. Everything about you. So that is what everything about you comes here. So उसमें से कोई तो भी एक कारक तत्व निकालो ना. It could have impacted health. It could have impacted immunity. It could have impacted your body. It could have impacted your career. It could have impacted your ego. It could have impacted so many things. So career, let us say, if you look at it from the career point of view. And 12th house.
And it forms a triune also, no? Then वो triune में भी उसका base बन रहा है ना?
इसका base बन गया है. 9th house becomes the base for first house. And 12th house is the house of moksha. It's considered sky. Na? 12th house is in Lal Kitab is considered akash. So what you are doing is something divine. No? It is not something which everybody does. So that 12th house also aa gaya udhar. 12th house is
One thing I want to just share with these people, because I think astrologically it may be useful. I don't know. It's something personal, but like you said, karmic debt towards the father or whatever that term is. So I made a promise to my father on his deathbed, which I honored for 35 years of my life. I took that responsibility voluntarily. I made a promise on his deathbed. This is what I will do. And I completed that in 2014. I was able to honor each and every of those emotional responsibilities.
So that you don't need to share that personal thing if you want, but you just see whether wo house is affected or not. Then you'll understand.
Which is that wo house?
Whatever promise you had given कि मैं ये करूँगी.
I said I will look after my brother and my mother and his entire family, which I did.
So Mercury becomes the lady also. Your brothers are younger than you or older than you?
Elder to me. I'm the youngest.
Okay. So, okay. So Saturn, one minute, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. Sorry. So what did you promise that you look after your brothers and your mother?
Brother, his wife, my mother, and his 2 children, son and daughter. So I looked after all 5 of them till both the children got educated, married. After this happened, I said, okay, now I'm free. My mother passed away, whatever. So it was a very 3 decades of, what can I say, offering myself.
Repayment of debt.
Means as it's a study case sort of, so I shared this.
See, basically the 12th house of Shani का जो karmic house है, 10 जिधर है, okay. 10th, it has impacted 10th Rashi, 12th house. 10th Rashi can be considered Kalpurusha's 10th house. So it has impacted your occupation, my profession. With that I am nahi hua, ye hua.
No, I never want. I was happy to do this.
No, whatever. But I understand you're happy, but in commercial terms, if you go to see, it has impacted your
Yes.
occupation. Barabar?
Right. Right.
Now, if you see in your 12th house, Venus and Mercury are there. Venus and Mercury both can be considered ladies. Barabar? So your mother, in fact, that should be moon, but this also comes here. And
Brother's daughter was brought up by me.
so Mercury. That's what I was looking
Brother's
for.
daughter and son both.
Mercury is also looked at as a young prince, and Mercury is also considered as a daughter or niece or something like that. That also. So वो उधर आ गया. Venus becomes a lady. So looked after. वो जरा थोड़ा study करना पड़ेगा, but it is. I think it is making sense that way. वो जरा मैं study करके.
Because you also said second house, no? शनि से second house आपने बताया ना?
तो 10th house हो गया ना.
हाँ तो वो 10th house वो भी 10th house ही हो गया.
वही 10th house. So actually, if you see now, many times it comes back in the same circle. Even Ram ka, if you see, it comes back to the same circle.
Yes.
There is another technique which, let me see if it works on your this thing. Okay, that I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Didn't you say that it impacts the house after it?
Yeah.
So one house after it.
Where Saturn is seated is where you have a karmic debt too, like she is for the father.
Correct.
The impact किधर दिखाएगा? It will show its impact somewhere in the next house, second house. So that is house of occupation, profession, government, whatever it is.
Okay, so her Saturn was in the 9th or
9th house. It
Ninth.
is the 9th
Okay.
house.
Oh.
मनीष
Yeah.
मुझे क्लियर हो गया था. नाउ यू कंफ्यूज मी. पहले यू सेड कि सैटर्न से 4th पे इट विल गिव इम्पैक्ट. नाउ यू आर सेइंग कि सेकंड हाउस को इम्पैक्ट आएगा.
अरे बाबा, you are not there from the beginning. But there are 3 techniques I have shared with you. There are 3 separate techniques. अभी नीट शांति से सुनो. There are 3 techniques. First technique is Saturn जिधर बैठा है वो 1 पकड़ के 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called as the karmic house of Saturn. वो हाउस का एक कारक तत्व को उद्ध्वस्त कर देगा. You don't write down. I am giving you the slide. It is written there. That is one. Second technique is Saturn जिधर बैठा है. That is the karmic debt towards that कारक तत्व of that house. Within that only, उसका impact कहाँ दिखाएगा वो? तो second house from. So if in ये बाकी सब भूल जाओ. If you just want to understand this like how I am understanding, Saturn जिधर बैठा है वो house का एक कोई तो भी वाट लगाएगा, उसके सेकंड हाउस पे एक वाट लगाएगा, उधर से 1, 2, 3, 4th हाउस पे उधर वाट लगाएगा. So where Saturn is seated, 1, 2, 4. If you consider Saturn here as 1, 2, and 4, ये हाउस को वाट
Got
लगाएगा.
it.
Then उसके हिसाब से then you get the things, no, like राशि लॉर्ड
got
है,
it.
then you go
Got it, got it.
like that.
Got it.
But
Got
even
it.
if you can identify these 3 houses, you will get the story. Now, if you want to know the detail of the story, कि किसने क्या किया, कहाँ से कुछ आया, then you have to see the राशि लॉर्ड किधर बैठे हैं वो सब. तो वो जाने को बात नहीं करो.
बट एक चीज और मनीष, वापस वी विल कंसीडर कालपुरुष कुंडली ओनली इन दिस. नो.
No, अभी राशि आ गया. This is भृगु पद्धति. This is
You missed the starting. This is Bhrigu Paddhati.
ठीक
भृगु पद्धति are spot on one-liners.
ठीक है.
ये है, like in this, I will share with you later on. I'll just show you the table, so then you'll understand what I'm coming to and why I'm coming to. Also, you'll understand. अभी ये इधर टेबल दिख रहा है. Whatever you can see, forget it. ये जो इधर लिखा है ना, these are ages. So like year 10, 18, 20, 22, 27, 30, tick 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 करके ऐसा. So what it tells you is that see your life में, if I tell you in your, let us say 16th year, your Jupiter would have impacted the 4th house from Jupiter. Let us say, I'm just giving anything. Or let us make it simple for you. Wherever Jupiter has impacted one character, will get spoiled. Okay, so maybe 16th year पे Jupiter will spoil and yours will also spoil. But your Jupiter is seated in some house, my Jupiter is seated in something else. अगर हम दोनों का, let's say mine and Shruti, Saturn is seated in the same house. And let us say the technique is, कि in your 16th year, your Saturn will spoil one character of, let us say, the 11th, the 10th from it. So 10th from it is the 5th house. 5th house is also the house of education. So maybe both of us might have had some problem in education over there. We didn't have, but I'm just telling you. I'm just giving a rough example just to understand. So ये सब है ना, when you know this, and if you know that, if even if you don't buy it, if you have a table over there, the fellow comes in front and you see that guy is, let us say, 50 years of age. And you realize in the chart कि 40, the nearest you should take, nearest, एकदम 12वें साल और 16वें साल तक ध्यान में रहते हैं. 50 years का है, so you can ask 40, let's say 46 years पे Rahu will create something. So you see and you ask him, अच्छा तुम्हारा Rahu इधर बैठा है. Did 46th year पे, did something happen like this, like this, like this? And he says yes. So you have, see, basically क्या है ना, Rashmi, to answer your question earlier on, why do a multi-pronged attack? I call it a multi-pronged attack. Because then the entire story opens up. Otherwise, you are reading one paragraph and trying to tell a story. Unless you open the entire story book, how will you know? You read one page and you would tell a story. The entire chapter should open up, then you can talk. And the chapters will open when you use all your fingers. एक finger से एक ही chapter खुलेगा. Okay. Any other question? So what? Just to summarize everything, I want her to do two things. Sujata बोल.
ह्याच्यामध्ये कुठली पत्रिका बघायची? भावचलित की
राशी भावचलित comes only in KP. इथे काही नाही त्याचं कसलं. So what I want her to do is one very important thing, that palmistry का वो मेरा जो image भेजा है वो देखो. तो ध्यान में रखो, ये 1 2 3 4 है, ये middle finger छोड़ने का है. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. ओके, तो उसमें क्या करने का है, एवरी डे ऑन अ डेली बेसिस जस्ट सी व्हाट, कुछ ना कुछ तो होते ही रहते हैं. तो वो देखो, तुम्हारा एक राशि चार्ट एक बना के रख दो उधर विद द राशिज ओवर देयर. ओके, एंड जस्ट सी व्हाट इज गेटिंग इंपैक्टेड. इन द सेंस, सिंपल थिंग, हेडेक हो रहा है तो फर्स्ट हाउस इज गेटिंग इंपैक्टेड. बरोबर. अभी you should also have the gochar actually. The gochar will get in any software. So when you realize that, I'm giving you my today's example. So let's say your first house headache हो रहा है, sun दिखा रहा है, first house को मार रहा है. Sun किधर बैठा है? 7th house में. चलो ठीक है, that is done. Now you have to give that 120 positive hit. So 30 उल्टा 30 60 120 आया. तो कौन से आया? 9th house में है, उधर मेरा second राशि है. Now forget the राशि, because these are houses. So which house is that thing in? 9th house. 9th house से 9th 10th 11th 12th first आया ना. So 30 60 90 120. So 9th house कौन सा ये है? उधर either copper का dot करो या copper का ring पहनो, or any तांबा related thing which is sun, and see that. So anything this way. So in simple words, find out what the problem is, understand what the house it is related to. In the software, just see which planet is hitting that house or that Karak Tattva. Let's say your daughter has a problem, see Mercury. Your son has a problem, see Ketu. You have some physical problem, which part of the body वो देखो. उसको देखो कौन planet मार रहा है उसको, और वो planet को अपना 120 degrees पे लाओ. फिर वो कौन सा घर है देखो. Maybe you need to see this video again. वो कौन सा घर है देखो, वो घर इधर आइडेंटिफाई करो और वो पॉजिटिव प्लैनेट को उधर डॉट करो.
मनीष, एक डाउट. अभी यू सेड कि 9th हाउस में प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है? सो 9th हाउस को 120 डिग्री.
9th हाउस में प्रॉब्लम नहीं, 9th हाउस से 120 डिग्रीज में दे रहा हूँ.
सो 120 डिग्रीज में देंगे तो फर्स्ट हाउस आएगा. सो आई शुड आइडियली पुट इट हियर, बट देन यू आर सेइंग पुट अ कॉपर. I don't know. I'm getting so much confused.
No, you take the mental block out of it. You're getting some mental block. You just remove that. ऐसा फुस करो. See, basically, I'll tell you in very simple words. हाँ, बस गया, निकल गया. I could see it go. So थोड़ा अक्ल भी गया उसमें. I was having. This is today's live case when all this happened. This is not in any book. It's not documented. This is something new we are trying. I had a headache today. Headache is what? First house. I saw the software. उसमें मेरे को गोचर में दिखा है sun is giving a 188 degree hit to first house. sun कहाँ बैठा है 180 डिग्री तो मालूम ही पड़ता है 7th हाउस, पर उसमें भी दिखा था 7th हाउस. तो 7th हाउस से वो 180 डिग्री हिट दे रहा है फर्स्ट हाउस को, हेड को, बरोबर. तो मेरे को विक्टिम भी मालूम पड़ गया, कल्प्रिट भी मालूम पड़ गया. अभी कल्प्रिट को हीलर कैसे बनाता है? फ्रॉम द इंपैक्टेड थिंग उल्टा जाने का, 30 60 90 120. तो वो 9th हाउस में आ गया. 9th हाउस में मेरा सेकंड राशि है, जस्ट फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन. So normally whatever I've done, I would have put a golden dot on my face, which actually I had started to do here. Yellow color dot on orange color dot on the face. But वो करते समय मेरे को मेरा हाथ दिखा and this thing flashed in my mind. So what I said was, now इसमें these are not rashis because ये लाल किताब का समुद्रिक शास्त्र है. There are no rashis. There are houses. So इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is my 9th house where the second rashi was, where I am putting my sun now. तो मैंने सन इधर डाल दिया. एंड सन इफ यू रियलाइज बिकम द बुनियाद फॉर द फर्स्ट हाउस आल्सो. फर्स्ट हाउस का पक्का घर एंड उच्च का स्थान इज सन. So when I take sun, helping sun, it has to have that impact. And my head is now just now it is totally 100% clear. So this is the first time. तो रोज करो ना कुछ टूथ है ये है वो है कुछ देखो और करो. इधर डॉट करो सिर्फ हाथ पे. Because if this works out, then balancing of the planets and all might become very easy. इधर ही डॉट करते बैठो ना हाथ पे. एंड मेरे को दूसरा एक दिमाग में क्या आ रहा है, which I used to do on dowsing, which is remote healing. एक हाथ का, अपने हाथ का पंजे का एक मार्क करके रख देने का जेरोक्स पे, और उसके ऊपर इंटेंशन डाल के उसके ऊपर डॉट कर देना. Because if I tell you to put 4 dots, you can't go on the road with 4 5 dots here or there. It will look foolish. So if you have to balance the remedies for 2 3 planets, because many times you realize 2 3 planets need to be done remedy of. तो वो किधर हाथ पे सब पोल्का डॉट्स करके जाएगा. सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच अगेन समथिंग न्यू इज कमिंग टू माय हेड कि इट इज कॉल्ड इट्स माय वर्ड रिमोट हीलिंग. तो तुम्हारे खुद के हाथ का एक स्कैन इमेज निकालो और उसके 50 प्रिंट्स घर पे रख दो. व्हेन यू वांट टू पुट द डॉट्स ओवर देयर, पुट इट ऑन दैट एंड विद द इंटेंशन दिस इज माय हैंड एंड आई एम पुटिंग द डॉट ऑन माय हैंड एट दिस हाउसेस. So this is something which we have just started today. Maybe in another 2 3 months time, if this really works properly.
And which hand, right or left or any?
I don't right hand. It doesn't actually it doesn't matter. One of the hands, any hand. I don't know, but मैंने तो left पे डाल दिया. Okay, so that is one thing which I wanted to do on a daily basis. Second thing is whatever those 20 charts you have got, put the Saturn ka thing over there. Saturn in the house, second house, and the fourth house from here. Saturn the next house, and Saturn say fourth house. इनका देखो, if possibly with the people whom you know, and then just see how it is impacted at that house, that Rashi Lord, and that Rashi Lord का बाकी के house, other house. Then make a document that we can again meet, or maybe Monday if we want to meet for a short while, and we can share the experiences. Because these are spot on things, and I think they'll be very useful, you know, basically to get an overall picture of the client also, or whomever you're helping out. Okay?
But you know, I used to think that I have Saturn in the 7th house, which be and all that. So I used to be so happy about it.
What?
So Saturn being in the 7th house. So I think it always depends on what has come forth.
Just one, sorry, just breaking up this thing. What I have been wanting to say for last 2 weeks, but I'm not getting to it because I am not yet ready with the data to give you. But what I tell you in very short, the first planet which is taken on is Jupiter. And Jupiter has spread itself across 6 houses in your chart. You know that, barabar? So basically, plus Saturn, plus Jupiter may be seated in the 7th house, let us say, some other house. ये 6 houses तो उसका है पक्का या उच्च का, plus वो बैठा रहेगा किसी और में. So there are at least 7 places where it can get impacted. And if somewhere either it is seated with an enemy planet, or it is impacted by an enemy planet, or it has a bunyad of an enemy planet, or an enemy planet is seated in any of these 6 houses, Jupiter is hit. That is why they say that 80% लोगों का नसीब खराब है. ये जो बिल गेट और अंबानी में रहते हैं, they might be in the 20% जिसका कुछ भी affected नहीं. So if let us say your Jupiter is seated in the 7th house. So if you remember my diagram, 7th and the 10th, वो जो था, that entire line, you know. So basically it was 6th, 7th and 10th, if you remember that line. So 7th it's a debilitated house for this thing. So उधर मार्क है उसने. So Jupiter hit हो गया. Suppose Jupiter का घर है, let's say the 9th house of Jupiter, ये पक्का घर भी है और स्वराशि भी है. उधर जुपिटर का एनिमी जाके कोई बैठा उधर, लेट अस से शनि जाके बैठा उधर, जुपिटर को मार बैठा. So it has got impacted. So Jupiter खराब हो गया. So basically once you know that, then you need to rectify that situation so that Jupiter becomes strong by removing that Saturn from there or curtailing that Saturn. Then your Kismat starts moving. Similarly, Mangal is Shubha Mangal. Mangal is any Mangal कार्य is called Mangal. अपन मंगली की पकड़ते, but Mangal is actually good. But if your Mangal is impacted by something, तुम्हारा जो शुभ कार्य होने का था वो अशुभ कार्य हो रहा है. तो मंगल को अगर रेक्टिफाई करो by simple thing, there are some remedies like चांदी के कटोरी में दूध रखो अपने देवघर तिकडे or whatever पूजा thing like that. So that is silver, that is milk. So Mars, Mangal और राहु जो भी उसको impact हो रहा है वो जाके शांत होता है. So there are remedies like that. So if you can rectify, so basically what I am more or less coming to now, I'm still fumbling, but I think what I'm getting to might be right thing. If you control your Shani ka impact, you understand where your Jupiter is getting impacted and rectify that, and your Mangal you control. I think you would have settled around 80% of your life well. Because Shani just now, like you saw, is creating havoc in minimum 3 houses. Minimum 3 houses. Plus उसका टिंग टोंग इधर उधर बजा तो और भी बच गया. तो उधर 3-4 हाउसेस को फटके मार रहे. तुम्हारा जुपिटर तो 6 हाउसेस में इट इज लाइंग अक्रॉस 6 हाउसेस, तो किधर ना किधर तो उसका इम्पैक्ट हो गया. एंड मंगल, तुम्हारा जो मंगल होना चाहिए वो अगर उल्टा हो रहा है तो मार्स इज अफेक्टेड. सो इफ दीस 3 कैन बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, majority of the things can be taken care of. Then if you talk of sun, that will be your health and all that, okay, that is one thing. Moon can be something else, whatever. Barabar, no? Prithivan, what do you think? So this is what I'm coming to, but since I don't have the entire data here, I'm not sharing it with you. That is all. So Shruti, coming back to your thing of Saturn being good or bad, it is basically said no planet is good, no planet is bad. Every planet can be good, every planet can be bad. तो उच्च रहेगा, नीच रहेगा, कुछ भी रहेगा, तो उसको उल्टा फटका बैठा तो सेकेंड हाउस में जाके उच्च बैठा और उसको कोई इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है ऑफ एनिमिकल प्लैनेट या उसका बुनियादी एनिमिकल प्लैनेट है, तो उच्च होके क्या फायदा. उच्च इज व्हाट दैट यू आर सिटिंग इन योर ओन हाउस. तुम तुम्हारे हाउस में ऐसे मस्त बैठे और उधर से किसी ने बॉम्ब फेंका तो घर में बैठे तो नहीं लगेगा. When you say
yeah, Manish, because I was just thinking right now when you asked me this question, Saturn and Jupiter are the slow moving planets.
Yeah.
So when you rectify them, they are moving way, like if moon I rectify today, after 2 days it is somewhere else.
Yeah, correct.
Even so, absolutely, like Jupiter and Saturn, if they are remedied, for long term we will get good results.
Yeah. That is it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking when you asked me.
Yeah, because see, Saturn will take 2.5 years, Jupiter will take 1 year, Rahu Ketu will take 1.5 years.
Yes.
And Rahu Ketu and Saturn put together become the
Papi Ghar Ki Toli.
So controlling Saturn, like if you remember in the morning we were talking about that girl ka Kundali.
Yes.
Sir, if you see Saturn and Rahu are coming to be the culprits.
Together, yes.
So I think what it is to be, as रात को I'm going to think about it, कि शनि को और इसको करो, नहीं उनका remedies कर लो. Sometimes I feel blindly you should do the remedy of Saturn and this thing. But वो देख तो let me think of the permutation combination.
But what आपण देवाकडे चांदीच्या पाटीत दूध ठेवतो, दूध साखर ठेवतो. So what I didn't quite catch what that was.
No, the rectification for bad Mars, Mangal Bad. one of the remedies is चांदी के कटोरी में दूध, I don't know what हिंदी में जैसे देवघर में रखो, पूजा के स्थान पे रखो, घर के
आपण नॉर्मली पण तसंच करतो ना, जे देवाला प्रसाद आपण तसंच दाखवतो ना.
but permanently असतं, I don't know.
एव्हरी
एव्हरीडे दूध साखरेचा.
So then you are helping your mangal become better.
तो मंगल कार्य घर में होते रहेंगे ऐसा. Manish, you were saying
I have a
something about honey in the silver.
प्रीति बहन,
You had said something about honey in the silver pot. वो कुछ मंदिर में रखने का. One day.
there are 2-3 actually frankly speaking remedies पे मैंने इतना जास्ती जोर ही दिया नहीं अब तक. So better I don't say because I might tell something wrong. So but what you're saying, I had said honey
In silver.
मिट्टी
मिट्टी के कुच्चे में ये डाल के बंद करके जमीन में डाल दो.
No.
yes
I had said put honey in a silver thing in your
In the mandir, yeah.
no. Sorry, then I'm mixing up. Not milk. It must be sorry, not milk. It is honey. Sorry.
ओके. पण आपण दूध आणि साखर रेग्युलरली ठेवतो ना.
No. Okay. I'll tell you what. Mars, Mangal is sweet. So honey represents Mangal. Yeah, sugar represents Mangal. Milk represents moon. मून के माँ के गोद में कोई भी प्लैनेट शांत हो जाता है. सो मंगल जो बद हो रहा था उसको माँ की गोद में रख दिया. मुझे मंगल इज हनी, उसको चांदी की कटोरी में रख दिया, माँ की गोद में रख दिया और सेकेंड हाउस में स्थापित कर दिया. सेकेंड हाउस में उच्च क्या रहता है? मून. तो मून उच्च है, मून कटोरी है, उसमें ये डाल दिया, शहद डाल दिया, विच इज मार्स. तो तुम्हारा मंगल जो बद था वो शांत हो. एक मिनट, दैट टाइम आई हैड सेड वन थिंग आल्सो कि ऐसा रख देगा तो चींटी लग जाएगी तो ऊपर नीचे पानी का.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
राइट.
सुजाता, व्हाट यू सेइंग?
No, why? So is there? I think Preeti ji will be able to tell us this. Why do they Panchamrut we make na? It has dahi, sakhar, mud, toop, and doodh.
All the planets come in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rashmi, you were asking something. I had cut you that time. What was it?
no I got it. See, I was confused if it is Mangal then why in silver, so you answered it.
Basically, kaise, what I have understood little bit of this, because I have still not got into the remedy, but I am still understanding the basics of the remedy. But remedy ka what I have understood of it is, like for example, many times you have to break the planet into the Masnui planets, and वो दोनों में से जो उधर खराब है उसको निकाल दो. Like if you have let's say Sun and Mercury, it makes Moon, let us say. तो अगर if Sun is seated in the good house, Mercury उधर खराब है तो उसको उधर निकाल दो. Like that, something like that. I won't open my mouth till I am 100%
sure. Yeah.
But anyway, ये दो techniques तो करो. ये हाथ का देखो on a daily basis. And another thing, just try one thing which I have experienced but first time only. Like my 9th house was hurting. But 9th house is again, now Rashmi will get confused with that. 9th house is जहाँ से मैं अभी उसको बिठा रहा हूँ. But it was hurting my, maybe it was telling me do something here. Maybe. I don't know. Like see, for example, this was hurting. So one मुझे ये दुखायला करता. This is तो ये दुखना मांगता था. मैंने सभी एंगल से दबा के देखा. Other than the pain of pressing, it was not hurting. But ये अंगूठी वगैरह तो notice. But ये जो अभी गया उसका pain. But here when I was pressing, here अभी भी थोड़ा सा है. But here when I press, it is a different press. It is not my pressing का pain. It is a internal pain.
हार्ट का पॉइंट है.
This one. This is ये कौन सा? This is sun का mount of.
No, this is Mercury.
हाँ, Mercury का. हाँ, Mercury का है. हाँ.
तो ये जो है ना, ये हार्ट का पॉइंट है.
Maybe. So maybe my heart is hurting. That's why maybe it might be.
That may be. Yeah.
Is hurting.
वो हो सकता है. that could be there, but I don't know. Maybe we have to see. So 9th house में जो दिखा रहा है, maybe what you're saying, that could be one option. Or other thing is maybe if the hand is telling me कि इधर कुछ remedy करो, तो वो जो copper उधर डाला, that might be a remedy for that. So whatever, ऐसा. So you all try this out and keep documenting it in very short words so you can share the experience later. That will help. And somebody, one of you all had written to me that what we said came out to be correct. कौन बोला था मेरे को? I said you should. I think Bobby.
मैंने भी बोला ना, वो आपने बोला साउथ वेस्ट में बाथरूम होगा.
Yeah, today you said. नहीं, and also that day Bobby called to say because उनके वो पैर में cramp आ रहा था ना.
Oh,
So I told him to shift out over and put a red dot. So last 1 month he's doing that. He said एक बार भी कभी cramp नहीं आया उसके बाद.
oh, that's fantastic.
Wow.
That was what. ठीक है. So we can wrap. Like I said, 1 घंटा तो लगने वाला था मेरे को.
You take care,
Really
Papa.
enjoying. Thank you.
Thank you.
सब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन जो भी समझ में आ रहा है अच्छा लग रहा
It's
है.
Yes,
enjoyable.
yes.
have to keep
I will.
watching this
हाँ.
video again and again.
Yes, I
Yeah.
will watch the video from the starting so that next time I won't trouble Manish.
Thank you.
मेरे को कोई trouble नहीं. As long as you learn, I'm happy because the main intention is that
Yes,
we should be
yes.
able to control our lives rather than letting somebody else control our lives.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the aim. If you can control your life, then
So next time, next class we will take only on controlling the emotions.
इसका emotion control करना.
You said then we'll have
Total
our own
fail.
control of our life.
Total fail हो जाएगी.
I'm emotionless. मेरे को कोई emotion ही नहीं.
स्थित प्रज्ञा है, स्थित प्रज्ञा
तो बैरागी.
है ना प्रीति जी, ही स्थित प्रज्ञा.
Completely.
Basically, there is one sentence which I keep telling myself, and it's my made sentence. Never let any person or situation get the better of you. No person or situation should mount you. You should be on
Yes.
top of it. So कोई आदमी तुमको खराब नहीं कर सकता, कोई situation तुमको खराब नहीं. This is my logic in life. Never let any person or situation get the better of you.
Very
Because see, if some person acts bad to me, I start thinking, oh, if I fall in a pit, is he going to come and help me out? No. तो फिर वो क्या कर देंगे? मेरे को क्या करने के? And if a situation is there, then I must have that much confidence in my abilities that I can get the better of it.
Overcome that situation. Yes. Yes.
इसका एक और बताता हूँ. Sorry. If somebody else has got, see, it's not that I am unique. What am I pausing this? What I was saying is, I am not unique. So somebody, sorry, मेरा घसा है. Somebody else has also gone through that situation, and he has come out of the situation. If he can come out of the situation, I can also come out of the situation.
Right.
So इसके लिए जास्ती, that doesn't mean that I am as a sharp. I am very short tempered. Although Mangal is,
Those people who are very honest and very upfront are normally short.
always, always.
but
तो बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है, बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है, गलत.
I said, anyway, चलो then we'll meet. Let's
Thank
see
you.
Monday. Huh?
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night to
Bye,
everyone.
everybody. Good night.
Bye. Good night.